Good morning to you. What we have out there today is going to feel much more like winter than summer. That's how it felt to me yesterday and the day before that, with temperatures up into the 70s and 80s. But today everything comes crashing back down to reality, and frankly a little colder than where we should be this time of the year. When you look at across the city this morning, though, obviously fog is not a factor. It's too windy for that today, and not quite warm enough either. What we have, probably temperatures for all of you in the 40s, but it is feeling more like the 30s. Why? Because look at the sustained wind speeds right now. We have winds that are sustained in the teens and even 20s across Chicagoland, not even quite to our peak yet. So once we hit around 10 o'clock this morning, a wind advisory goes into effect for the entire area. That's with us through 7 o'clock tonight, because winds could gust into the 40s and even 50s. Real-time radar right now showing dry conditions with no problems, but look at the satellite and radar tracker. Pushing into the afternoon, some quick moving showers mixed with snow in the mix, and that is, though not going to accumulate, it's going to be out there that I think you can notice. Just some snow flying through the air quickly as well. The problem is winds could gust even more so within those snowy bands that could work through really quickly this afternoon. High temperature will be about 45 degrees at Midway, 45 for DeKalb, 50 for Kankakee, and 47 degrees in Rensselaer. Pushing into tomorrow, we're going to be at about 45 degrees in LaPorte, 52 for Joliet, and 52 for Ottawa. So a similar day both today and tomorrow. 7-day planner is going to show that temperatures in the 50s for your Saturday and your Sunday. That's going to be really difficult for us to deal with out there, guys, because that's the weekend. That's the good stuff, and that's as good as it gets. The rest of the forecast period from now all the way through the end of the 7-day planner is expected to be around 10 degrees below average, with some scattered rain showers. Probably no thunderstorms in the mix because temperatures are too cold, but that snow today, when we see it, that's going to hurt.